Hello fans of ExiArts and fans of mountains, crafts and arts. It's me Hristo from ExiArts channel on YouTube, and today I want to show you a little short video. This video is I made kind of a couple of weeks after I purchased my drone this summer 2025, and of course this was one of my first flights, maybe one of the first 7 to 10 flights I've made, and this video is not so, something special. I just made a simple flight in the neighborhood of Ezerovo in my city of Smolen in the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. And now you see I am bringing back the drone to the place from where I released it in the air. This is me down there next to the electric pole, the little dot on the asphalt road, on the sunshine part of the road. That's me over there. Well, I don't know why I paused this video, because it's nothing specific, but I just wanted to kind of show you my first flights, so you can see my progress in the future. From now on I'm gonna post more and more videos from my later